we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty wood chipper. List number 1. Great Circle USA Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher. This 3-in-1 wood chipper shredder mulcher design has a reduction ratio of 15. One when using the top hopper for 1/2 MAX volume chipping/shredding, side chute for 3 MAX branch/limbs, or the attachable leaf vacuum for mulching. This chipper's powerful recoil starting 7 HP horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas-powered engine handles up to 3 diameter wood without a problem. Fuel W/87 plus unleaded gasoline, 0.7 gallons max capacity. List number 2. Upper Handy Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher. This 3-in-1 wood chipper shredder mulcher design has a reduction ratio of 15. One when using the top hopper for 1/2 MAX volume chipping/shredding, side chute for 3 MAX branch/limbs, or the attachable leaf vacuum for mulching. The slanted housing design reduces jams. Unlike other chippers, hook up your ATV, lawnmower/small tractor for easy transportation with a tow bar kit, and use the vacuum inlet for easy leaf mulching with a vacuum kit. List number 3. FCUT C30 Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher. FCUT C30 Mini Wood Chipper Shredder has an 11.8-inch cutting rotor with 2 blades plus 4 hammers turning out smaller shreds with high feeding speed, grilling device on discharge outlet turning shreds, and branches leaves into mulches. FCUT C30 Mini Wood Chipper Shredder is easy to assemble, also easily chip, shred, and mulch 3-inch MAX branches/limbs with leaves at a high waste reduction ratio up to 15. FCUT C30 Mini Wood Chipper has a powerful recoil starting gasoline engine of 7 HP 212 horizontal 4-stroke single-cylinder OHV gas. List number 4. Landworks Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher. This wood chipper shredder design comes with an extra large hopper for MAX volume chipping/shredding up to 3 MAX branches/limbs to mulch all wood to a reduction ratio of 15. One with an elongated top adjustable discharge chute. The ability to hook up your chipper to your own personal ATV, lawnmower/small tractor allows for easy transportation on your land to where you need it. The purchase of a tow bar kit. List number 5. All Power America APWC 210 Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher. The All Power APWC 210 is a powerful, sturdy wood chipper designed to last. The motor has a generous 7 HP to ensure your cutting needs with a max cutting speed of 2200 rpm. The tires are 10 with a wheelbase of 21. The cutting blades use a dual reversible double-edged blades which provides longer blade life, with a cutting tree diameter of 4 and in feed dimensions of 18x15. This wood chipper can get your cutting job done with confidence. The expulsion chute is adjustable to 180 degrees up or down,